What if 2021 could be your year for making money online through affiliate marketing? Now, I can't guarantee your success. You are ultimately responsible for your accomplishments from the work you put in. You have to do the work. I can't do it for you. Sorry, but I can show you how other affiliate marketers are succeeding today so that you can find your own way to replicate similar or better results in 2021. Here are 6 affiliate marketing 2021 tips to make 2021 your year to finally succeed as an affiliate marketer. Hey there, Kim Wolf here from affiliatemarketinginformant.com, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. If this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Now, these tips are going to be a mixture of strategies, tactics, and tips. And stick around to the very end because tip number 6 will blow your mind. Tip number 1. You can start affiliate marketing without a website. This is a really common question for complete beginners. There are actually 2 ways to do this. Both ways allow direct affiliate links. So you don't need a website or landing page. You just make content on other sites and link directly to your affiliate offer. When someone buys from your direct affiliate link, you get an affiliate commission. The first way is YouTube. YouTube allows affiliate links. So just make easy and helpful videos and include direct affiliate links in the video description. Be sure to add an affiliate disclaimer. Here's an example of a video on the 9 coolest gadgets from 2020 available on Amazon. Scroll down and you will actually notice that they have Amazon links in the description. Click on them and you'll notice they are affiliate links. It is important to note that direct linking is not recommended in every scenario, but it does work for YouTube channels that produce good content and get a lot of views. So if you say, I can't start affiliate marketing because I do not have a website, well, that's just an excuse to avoid trying in the first place. Websites are very easy to build today, but they are not required to get started. The second way is medium.com. You can actually publish content on medium.com, so you leverage their website instead of your own. Medium also allows affiliate links, as long as you disclose you have included affiliate links in the content. Your content on Medium can rank. You're basically borrowing the authority of Medium.com and using it for yourself. Do a search in Google and you will find articles like this from Medium.com ranking on page 1. It's also important to note that you should have an email capture form to collect email addresses and build your own list. But you can create basic capture forms and landing pages in most email marketing platforms today and get away with not having a website to start out with, which reduces the complexity and gets you started faster. Tip number 2. You can create YouTube videos without showing your face. This concept of no-face videos is really popular right now. You can video record slides without your face and just your voice, just like this. Or you can Or you can even hire people to make these videos for you from Fiverr for reasonable prices. Tip number 3. Focus on one strategy until it works for you and hit a specific goal with it. There are 1,000,001 different ways to make money online. That's the beauty of it and also the curse. So there are so many, really too many, directions you can take. Blogging, affiliate marketing, selling products on Amazon, drop shipping, creating info products, search engine marketing, Kindle publishing. OMG. All strategies promise you thousands a day. The problem is, we jump strategies before we figure out the first one, also known as shiny object syndrome. And this action actually slows your progress and wastes your money. Each strategy is complex enough to learn. So take the time to really understand and master each one, and give yourself a chance to actually succeed. Tip number 4. Move over, ClickBank. Hello, Digistore24? Digistore24 does not have as many products as ClickBank in the US market, but they have an affiliate referral program, which means affiliates can recruit other affiliates to promote your product and receive a share of all the sales made by the new second-level affiliate. Because of this, Digistore24 is an affiliate network worth watching in 2021. It's important to note, the affiliate referral program must be activated for each product, so this option may not be available for every affiliate product on Digistore24. Tip number 5. Prepare for friction and haters. The more you start making progress towards success, the more people will question you, doubt you, try to detour you, and deflate you. When this happens, keep pushing. The resistance means you're about to have a breakthrough. Tip number 6. Failing forward is the best way to make progress.
What? No way.
Yep, you will make more progress by failing forward than trying to do everything perfect, which can prevent you from doing anything at all. You will learn what works and what doesn't by actually doing it. Here's to you crushing 2021. If you are serious about succeeding with affiliate marketing in 2021, definitely check out my links below. And if this video has helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.